Why does a motorcycle crash turn into a legal puzzle that feels way messier than a car crash? Because on a bike, you are out in the open, and that changes almost everything from the injuries to the blame game. When a car hits a car, the vehicles can do a lot of the talking for us, like two bumping shopping carts arguing in a parking lot. When a motorcycle gets hit, the rider often takes the full hit, so the injuries are usually bigger and the story gets more serious fast. You might hear someone say, "The rider was wearing a helmet, so it must be simple," but real life is never that neat. Helmet use can help show safety choices, yet it does not answer who caused the crash, and that is the big question. A motorcycle is smaller, so drivers miss it more often, especially when they are changing lanes or turning left like they are starring in a dramatic but very bad driving movie. That means lawyers often have to explain visibility, reaction time, and why "I didn't see them" is not the same as "I had no responsibility." In car cases, airbags, seatbelts, and crushed doors can tell a story about how the impact happened. In motorcycle cases, there is less protection, so the evidence often comes from road marks, helmet damage, witness statements, and the few surviving clues that did not get wiped away by the crash. People also bring a lot of unfair baggage to motorcycle cases. Some jurors may think riders are reckless just because bikes look cool and loud, but a stereotype is not proof, and a good lawyer has to push the case back onto facts. In many motorcycle crashes, the injuries are not just bruises and sore backs. We are talking broken bones, brain injuries, road rash, and long recovery times that can mess with work, school, and everyday life. That is why the money side can be different too. A motorcycle case may need more proof of future medical care, lost income, and the cost of help around the house, because healing can be a long, expensive detour. The blame issue can also get tricky when the rider was speeding a little, or the driver says the bike came out of nowhere. A lawyer has to sort out what really happened, because split seconds matter and everyone loves to remember the crash better after the fact. Police reports help, but they are not magic truth boxes. They can have mistakes, and a lawyer may need photos, crash experts, camera video, and repair records to build the real timeline. Motorcycle cases also deal with road conditions in a bigger way. Loose gravel, bad lane design, and potholes can be much more dangerous for a bike than for a car, so sometimes the case is not just about another driver at all. Insurance companies know motorcycle claims can cost more, so they may act like they are doing you a favor while quietly trying to pay less. That is where preparation matters, because the side with the better evidence usually has the stronger voice. We also have to talk about bias from the start, because it can sneak into the case wearing sunglasses and acting innocent. A lawyer often has to explain that riding a motorcycle is not a confession of fault, it is just a different way to get around. If you are trying to understand the difference in one simple line, here it is. Car cases often focus on vehicle damage, while motorcycle cases often focus on serious injury, visibility, bias, and the need for stronger proof. That is why the best cases are built carefully, with facts first and drama left for the movies. So yes, motorcycle cases are different, and that difference can change everything from the evidence to the payout to the way people judge the rider. Want to learn more about our company? Check out our links in the description.